Introduce highlight features or overview summary of uuffoo table lamp shower lamp with speaker. There are features include immersive sound experience. Enjoy balanced 360-degree audio coverage with System 5.0 and enhanced audio processing technology. Designed to deliver clear sound for indoor and outdoor spaces. Dynamic multicolor lighting. Switch between 7 vibrant colors and 3 lighting effects, smooth transition, music sync, single color. Doubles as an ambient LED light source. Easy connectivity. Auto pairing technology reconnects to your device within range up to 33 feet. Simplified setup for seamless streaming plus pair 2 units for immersive surround sound. Outdoor ready durability. IP44 rated protection against light rain. USB rechargeable with up to 5 hours of playtime at medium volume. Suitable for patios, gardens, or camping. Versatile. Combines sound and lighting in a portable design. A unique choice for celebrations, home decor, or outdoor adventures. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.